So cybersecurity, a world of experts and criminal. So what we are discussing here in this chapter, cybersecurity world, cybersecurity criminals and specialists, common threats we already know. Okay. So if we just ask you a question, what are the dangerous association with a hacker or an unauthorized person accessing the following sensitive information? For example, so it means that if an unauthorized person or a hacker, if they access the medical record, for example, these information, what do you think about that? So what are the danger? What could be the danger associated with a hacker or unauthorized person accessing the following sensitive information for sensitive sources for information? So for example, medical record. If somebody has a medical personal data, what he can do? What could be the danger? Educational record, employment information or record, okay? Financial information, if somebody knows your credit card, your bank detail, okay? Online information or a social media. Personal identification data like social security number or a credit card number. So mostly, when you call your bank, they ask you your, maybe some PIN code as well. So if you share that number, so basically, what do you think? What could be the danger? My question to you, what could be the danger?
They can project as somebody else. That's if they get all of the personal data.
Yeah. So if the personal data is stolen, if the medical record is stolen, educational record is stolen, what can they do? Any idea?
They can impersonate.
Huh?
They can impersonate.
They can?
You can froze.
They can froze?
Stole.
Stole. Okay, steal. Okay.
Stole the caused by the other person.
Do you know the dark web actually?
Yeah, darknet.
Dark web. Which is
One example, Silky Road.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah. So what happened? Sometimes some of the hacker those.
It's like the back end of the internet.
Yeah, back end.
People pull up stuff
Yeah.
like this, and other people will purchase it
Yeah.
and use it.
Yeah. So basically, on the dark webs and all this is a business now, right?
Yeah.
So hacker gain the access, have the access to, let's say, millions of credit card.
You can buy credit.
You can
cards,
buy the credit card information from there. Yeah. So it's out of this.
It's like a black market.
Yeah, there's a kind of a black market. It's not accessed by the normal internet. It's outside.
Application.
Yeah, some kind of application you use to access that.
Yeah.
So some hackers are stealing the information and they're selling there for millions of pounds, for example.
On your browser.
Yeah. So this is the danger. So in order to, now you see the information is very, very important. I was watching probably a movie a few days back, and the guy was asking to the police lady or some, I think she was asking, I will not ask you anything else, only I need this information. And if you give me this information, I will give you that much amount of money. So nowadays, when the time is changed, maybe oil is not very, or the gold is not very more valuable, information or data is more valuable. Because if somebody can have that information or data, let's say somebody hack into the eBay and they steal the username and password, they steal the credit card information from PayPal and they sell it to someone else. It means PayPal is gone. So data and information nowadays is precious, is important than maybe any other thing as of now. So it's very, very critical to protect your information. Okay. So let's just understand what are the cyber criminal or hackers are. So what are the types of hackers? Okay.